next in the project will be the business card holder, right? So this is the file for it. I already saved them in XCS. So the power setting, if you actually notice, light it. Okay, I actually set it at 100% at 6mm per second at 2 passes. So initially I have been using this setting. It can be able to cut successfully, but at times it may have some chart right at the back of it. So just be careful about if you're trying to use this 100% power, because there has been a lot of setting floating around. Just bear in mind, if you intend to stick with the 60% power, that will be the safest, right? So it just you can be able to toy around at 100%. All right, if let's say for example your material, if you try to use 60%, it does not cut through, maybe you can try this as well. Right, so because I'm going to speed this up, I just want to explain to you the curve bend, because all this down here, these are what we call a curve bend, where you can be able to bend and curve them. So after this piece of wood has been cut, it becomes really flexible, right? So there has been slots down here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 slots down here. They are all slotting on these 4 little holes down here. So basically the assembly is just by slotting into the holes down here. Okay, so I will record a very short video to actually show you actually how it's being done, right? So this is the how does it actually turns out by cutting the business card holder. So you can actually see there are 4 little notches down here, so you can be able to slot it in. So this is what I mean by a curve bend. You can see, okay, so it can be able to bend. So basically that is where the business card holder, where you can be able to hold it up. Okay, so this is what I mean by the living hinge or a curve bend. So you can see how it actually bends up. Alright, so with the air assist, there is a very clean cut. You can notice that at the back of it, there are not much of a char, right? So this is what we mean. So after slotting them, and actually I put some glues around these pieces down here to actually protect the joints. Okay, you can be able to see these are all the slots where the tabs actually I slot it in. Alright, and this is how it turns out, how you actually bend it after we laser cut, and you can actually put your business card in there and you enjoy. I hope you guys really enjoy what have I been doing so far. Everything can be laser cut. It's actually a game-changing experience for a lot of people.